Welcome to the Maryland Mortgage Rate Weekly Mortgage Market Update for the week of September 23rd, 2013. Hello, I'm John Thomas with Primary Residential Mortgage, here to give you your update. Well, last week, mortgage rates were moving higher in anticipation of the Fed meeting on Wednesday, and then big shocker on Wednesday knocked the mortgage rates down. They dropped about 0.25%. It was great news. So if we look at the bond chart on the screen, you can see that giant green candle up on Wednesday. That was when the Federal Reserve announced they would not taper their bond buying program. Totally unexpected. Mortgage bonds jumped higher. It was their single biggest day gain since August 2011. But then if you look at the chart, the rest of the week we kind of came off that high because we hit this quadruple top, which has pushed us back. That basically there's a lot going on, and it's going to be real tough for mortgage bonds to break above that. So short term, we are recommending locking your Maryland mortgage rate to start the week. Again, lock your rate in, take these gains. You already saw the end of the week, we kind of came a little off the high. So long term, if you got new construction, you're out 60, 90 days or more, you can float. But if you're in the 45, 30 day, I would definitely recommend locking because short term rates could move slightly higher. Now, if we dig into that report from the Feds, basically they had their two-day meeting, which started on Tuesday. Wednesday released a statement. Everyone's expecting them to announce they're going to start tapering their bond buying program from $85 billion a month of mortgage bonds and treasuries, taper it by $10 to $15 billion. That was baked into the market. That didn't happen. Big shock. Market reacted positively. Stocks, bonds were all up because they were expecting the opposite. So that helped mortgage home loan rates move about 0.25% lower to end the week. Now, we also saw on Thursday the release of the weekly initial jobless claims. That came in at 309,000 claims. That was up from 15,000 from the previous week of 292. But remember, there's still 2 states not reporting. They're working through a backlog of claims, so that's not a real good indication. Hopefully this week they'll be caught up and we can get a real read on weekly initial jobless claims. In the housing news, great news in housing. First from the builders, we had housing starts for August 2013 rose 0.9% from July to 891,000 units annualized. Now, it's below expectations of 910, but the drop was mainly due in slowing in multifamily construction, not single-family homes. Single-family homes actually moved higher. And then building permits, which is a measure of future construction, for August 2013 dropped by 3.8% from July to 918,000 units, but their drop was totally in multifamily construction. New single-family homes permits actually moved higher. So what is this proving? Builders have great confidence for single-family homes. They're building, they're getting permits out there to build new stuff, they're getting people under contract. So the market is hot. Then we had the existing home sales for August 2013. That was extremely strong. Existing sales were up 1.7%. And home prices for August 2013 were up 14.4% from August 2012. Huge number. Now again, what's driving these home prices up is low inventory. The inventory is at a 4.9 month supply. That's very low. So we are seeing an upward price on home prices. That's going to continue. Until we get this inventory problem fixed, home prices will keep going up. So it's a great time to buy. Get out there, get under contract. Now the other piece that was great in that report was distressed sales were only 12% of all sales. That is a huge move down. They were at almost 1/3 of all sales were distressed sales. So again, showing the market's coming back. We're getting the normal market, not just these foreclosures and short sales that are moving the market. In the local news, the next free first-time homebuyer seminar in Towson, Maryland is Saturday, October 19th. That's from 10 a.m. to noon, and that's at the Sheraton Baltimore North Hotel on Delaney Road. You can register for that event by giving us a call in the office at 410-412-3319, or you can register online, www.marylandhomebuyersseminars.com. Look forward to seeing you guys next week.